Hello there, my Foundations of Early Childhood friends. Welcome to the class. Unfortunately, we are not able to have class tomorrow. There's stuff going on, so MATC is going to be closed. So that is why I'm sending out this video to let you know what the class is all about. And then I also do have an assignment for you to do. Actually, I have several assignments for you to do, but I've made a video to cover the things that we would have talked about in class instead. Okay, so this video is basically that, all the stuff we would be covering in class. So welcome again to the class. My name is Yvette Artis, and just a little bit of information about me. I've been an early childhood instructor, a full-time instructor at MATC for about 16 years now. Before that, I was a special education, early childhood, bilingual. So that means I taught special children with special needs in the world of early childhood who were Spanish speaking for MPS, for Milwaukee Public Schools. So I did that for about 10 years before I became an instructor at MATC. So that's a little bit about me. Just letting you know, some of the stuff we're going to be covering in this class is we're going to be talking about what is early childhood education, the history of it, which actually would have been tomorrow or yeah, tomorrow's session. So I've got a video made about the history of early childhood, and then I have a little assignment to go with it as well. So we'll talk a little bit about that later on in this video. Excuse me. But what is early childhood? Like, what does it mean? What are the different programs and availability that's out there? We're also going to be talking about some state regulations. So there's a licensing book for group care, and there's a licensing book for family child care. We're going to look at those. We're going to have some fun with that. We're going to play some not video games. We're going to play some games to help you learn some of those different regulations and rules. We're also going to be looking at what does a good quality early childhood program look like? What does the environment look like? What are also some professional things that a good quality teacher looks like? So kind of keeping in mind, those are some of the key things we're going to be looking at. So what does this class look like? This is actually a face-to-face class. You wouldn't know it from this first session though, would you? So face-to-face class, we do need to meet. I do take attendance, and our class is going to be in M458. M458. We will be meeting on Wednesdays from 9 until noon, and the course is 8 weeks long. So it's August 23rd to October 11th. So letting you know, we do meet face-to-face, okay? So, with that said, because it is an 8 week class, that means this is going to go really, really fast. So, with that said, not only do we do things face to face, but there are also going to be homework assignments that you will be doing in Blackboard, and there will be discussion board, which is also in Blackboard. So, for those of you who are saying, "Yeah, I don't know what this Blackboard thing is, I don't know how this works," guess what? I'm going to continue on with my video so I can explain that to you. All right, so this was a little bit about what the course is. Let's look at MATC. All right, so some of you may be familiar with some of this, so please, bear with me. But if you're new, go to matc.edu. That's the homepage of MATC, and click on this menu button up here. When you do that, go down here where it says Student Employee Login. Once you do that, you're going to click over here where it says Blackboard. And again, this is a really good video that's just going to help you understand how to get to Blackboard because honestly, you're going to need to know this for any of the classes that you take, right? So once you get there, you're going to have to put in your login credentials, by the way. So you're going to have to know your username and your password. Once you have that set, they're going to have your name. Obviously, it's my name, but they're going to have your name up here. Go down to where it says courses. And look at that. Here's our foundations class. So click on the foundations course. So give me a second here. I'm the teacher, so I see it in a different way. Ta-da! Oh, there we go. This is what you guys should be seeing when you click onto the foundations class. Okay. So the first thing is where it says right here, welcome students. I will crap, I forgot it. Good thing I checked. I will be having your syllabus in here, so you can go ahead and check that out, and we'll talk over it a little bit more once we do have the typical class, okay? So your syllabus will be there. Unfortunately, I'm seeing that it's not there. But there's a lot of really good other helpful information for you to go through, different things for you to understand and just where support is here at MATC, okay? So just kind of letting you know all about that. But what I really want to do is hit on where it says right here, weekly lessons, click on that. So every week I will open up the follow that, that week that we're going to be working on. So week 1 is August 23rd. That's where we're at right now. If you look at it, you got some things to do, my friends, and the due dates are going to be next week when we have our class. So we're first of all, the history of early childhood. This would have been our topic for class tomorrow. Unfortunately, we're not able to have the class because MATC is closed. So I want you to click on it. There we go. Where it says start attempt number 1, that's how you actually get to the assignment. Okay, so again, those of you maybe have done Blackboard in the past, this is all new because this is a new format of Blackboard. So I'm just kind of going through it all with you. All right. So this assignment is worth 20 points and it is an assignment. What it says is click on this assignment link right here, and there's going to be a video for you to watch. While you're watching the video, answer the questions and make comments. So let's check this out. Click on this link. And again, it's kind of cool that this is a video because now you're able to pause and look at this as you're doing it. Okay. So there's the video link that I'm going to have you watch. It's a YouTube video and it's me talking, doing the PowerPoint. Just letting you know this video was pre-recorded for another course. So I make some comments on, oh, I'll see you this and we're going to do this. Just disregard that. But it is all the exact same content we would be talking about if we had class tomorrow. And then this is going to be the assignment that I want you to do. These are questions that I'd like you to answer. Okay, so there are going to be 10 questions for you to answer, but you need to watch the video. Do not Google in the late 1880s in the United States, what were some jobs kids worked on? Okay, I'm gonna know if you're doing something that's not in the video because I made the video. Okay, so don't go Googling these answers. Please actually listen to the video and watch it. Okay, that's so if I see that you're giving me answers that are not related to the video, I will not accept your answers. I'm giving you that a heads up right now, right? So the first thing, well, number one, you're going to want to do is have these questions in front of you because then listen to me. Listen to me talking to you. All right. Right there is the video. So watch the video and have those questions right in front of you before you, oh man, I really hope nuts. I really hope I can now get out of this. Crap. Hold on a second, everybody. So there we go. I got rid of the full screen. So right there was the video. Have these questions in front of you so that you have it right there. You can answer them as you go along. Now, here's another thing that lets you know. I have all my documents in Google Docs, and this is for all of your assignments. All right, I'm a Google kind of gal. If you know how to use Google, well, first of all, in order to be able to write on the assignment, click on the file. If you like doing Google, make a copy of the assignment. Okay, so we can do make a copy. And again, I'm going through all of this with you in a video so you can see it. So if you make a copy of it, you should be able to type on it. If you don't make the copy, you will not be able to type on it, right? Here's the thing though, once you're done answering the questions, you're going to go up to this share button over here. You're going to click on where it says general access. Make it anyone with the link is what I need you to do. Because if you don't do anyone with the link, then I'm not going to be able to open it. And then copy that link, and that's what you're going to send me. And I'll show you how to do that in a minute, okay? Now, if you're not a Google kind of friend, go back to the file over here and you can do download and download it into a Microsoft Word, okay? So if you do the Microsoft Word thing, let's see if it does it. Hopefully it's not going to take over my whole screen again. All right. Once you download it, you can then hit enable editing and look, now you're able to type on it. And this is yours, and then you would hit save and send me this, right? So, wait, don't save. There we go. Okay, so giving you some ideas or letting you know this is what you're going to do. So you can either make a copy of this assignment or you can download it into a Microsoft Word, and then that's how you're going to be able to write on your own sample of it. And this is for any assignment that you're going to be doing for me in this class. So you're going to need to know how to do this stuff. So that's why this is perfect that we're doing a video, okay? So once we do that, let's say you have the assignment all done. You are able to either put in the link, so write down, I can spell, put in the assignment, highlight it, and put in the link that we just had before, insert, and then hit submit. And bam, that's all you have to do. If you didn't do it as a Google document, what you're going to want to do is hit the attachment button. And you don't have to do both. You just pick one or the other. So if you made it into a Google document, you're going to do the link, what I just showed you. If you're not a Google person and you're doing it as a Microsoft Word person, you're going to be doing the attachment. Let's hit to our downloads. Oh, I have it right there. It was my virtual online class. Open. And there it is. Okay. And then I can wait. Conversion's happening. It's happening. Give it time. Give it time. And there it is. So let's pretend that I did right on that one, and there it is. And then I would hit the submit button. And that's what you're going to do for all of your assignments. So you're going to do that for this history of early childhood. You're going to do it for the syllabus receipt, which I promise I'll put the syllabus in as soon as I'm done here, okay, guys? You do have another assignment right here that typically would have been, and then you're also going to have a discussion board assignment. So for the discussion board, click on here. Oh, I got to give it some time. Wait a minute. Let me go back. So they're going to be, the topic is in there. Why I'm not seeing it right now, it might be because of the way I'm presenting it, but I do apologize. So the topic is in there. You're going to need to talk about it and then type it up and then go ahead and answer what it says, okay? All right, so these are your assignments that you're going to be working on. They're all due August 30th. I'm giving you until the end of the day for August 30th. So you're going to do this one, that one, that one, and that one. And you're going to start getting your points for the class. If you've got any questions, please, please, please email me. Otherwise, I hope everything is going well, and I will hopefully see you guys next week. Take care, everybody. Bye.